leaky RV roof, facing costly repairs? Now there's a better way. If a 62-year-old woman with no experience can seal her leaky RV roof all by herself using this special system, you can seal your leaky roof too. You may think, I might screw up the job and the roof will still leak. Many people think this and they're wrong. This special system is designed so that you can't fail. You get online instructional videos that give you clear, step-by-step directions on what to do about applying the membrane and the 3 coats of sealant. Don't worry about not buying enough or too much, because it's specifically measured out for you. In the Rexoseal RV kit, plus all the tools and materials you need are in the Rexoseal RV kit. You only need one thing, a pair of scissors. That's it. Let's look in the Rexoseal RV Roofing Repair and Restoration 5-gallon kit box. This is shipped to you directly via FedEx. Inside the box is a complete roof restoration DIY kit of everything you need. It includes the elastomeric roof coating that restores an RV roof up to 40 feet. There's detailed step-by-step directions, plus online videos which demonstrate the unique process of embedding reinforcing membrane. The Rexoseal RV contains a white, water-based elastomeric acrylic coating liquid. Rexoseal has 55 to 60% more rubber content than other cheaper coatings. This is modified to improve tensile strength, elasticity, corrosion, and resistance, and it has great adhesion to the material like metals, plastic, and wood. It's durable and extremely tough, with added UV protection to withstand extreme heat and cold. Additionally, Rexoseal has non-hazardous reinforcing minerals added to provide whiteness and prevent cracks, with high durability, gloss retention, and chalking resistance. There's added mildewcide and microcide protection against mold, algae, microbial growth, giving you easy maintenance for the life of the roof. It's also non-flammable. No other roof maintenance is needed except to wash with soap and water once a year. One big advantage is that there's no catalyzer in the product, so you don't have a short 5-hour time window to apply it before it starts to dry, like some other products. So you can go at your own pace, even over the course of a few days or weeks. Everyone knows the #1 problem of RV roofs, whether they're metal, fiberglass, rubber, EDPM, or TPO roofs, are the seams. The lap sealants on the seams dry out and crack, and that's where you get leaks. Another big problem is the normal wear and tear. It chalks and slowly loses its thickness and it loses its flexibility. The Rexoseal kit solves the problem of the leaky seams cracking because reinforcing membrane is applied to the seam. Then you apply Rexoseal all over the entire roof. Rexoseal offers a 10-year limited warranty, but with periodic recoating, it will last the lifetime of your RV. After 10 years in business, there have been 0 claims from anyone on the warranty. However, if you do need to call them, they have an old-fashioned 800 customer service number, entered by real people and based in North America. The 5-gallon kit includes 150 feet of membrane split into 6 easy-to-use pre-cut rolls of 25 feet by 5 inches, an 8-ounce bottle of RexoClean concentrate, a 7-inch brush, a 3-inch brush, a pole sander with the screen, a 9.5-inch paint roller, and a scrub brush. Just bring your own scissors. Plus, there's a free bonus gift, a second 8-ounce bottle of Rexoclean concentrate, a $20 value free. Plus, you get free shipping, a $45 savings, and a 10-year factory warranty. And it comes with a 30-day, 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee, so there's no risk. You can't fail. Enjoy a leak-free roof for the life of your RV. Get Rexoseal today. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks so much for watching.